Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my at-home microneedling and TCA peel treatment at the same time, and I will also show you my before and after pictures for my skin update. Yeah, so for my at-home microneedling procedure, I'll be using this tool, the Banisher 2.0, but first I will exfoliate my skin using the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask, and I'll be using a brush to apply it all over my skin or all over my face. So here I am starting applying the product on my face. Alright, so this product is HA exfoliating mask, which will lighten your dark spots, and it will give you a instant glow after 10 to 15 minutes leaving it in your skin. So I will just leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off with water, and this is how my skin look after washing my face. So you can see that instant glow effect, like, it's glowing. Yeah. Alright, so here I will now start with my at-home microneedling, and I started the procedure on my temples, or just my temple. Yeah, so I have been doing or using the Banisher 2.0 for a year now. Yes, I think for a year now. And if you're new to my channel and you also want to try the Banisher 2.0, you may just visit their website www.banish.com/Mars, and you will get $5 off for orders $50 above. And also, if you don't know how to properly use the tool, you may also browse my channel. I have videos there teaching or making a video on how to properly use it, or how I use it. Yeah, but anyway, I will show my before and after results or pictures for my skin update. Yeah, so let's start. Yeah, so this is my before picture. So this was taken actually 2021. So this was after the 5th session of my TCA cross treatment using 80% solution, and you can really see that my scars are really deep and very visible. Alright, and for this pictures, it was way back, or it was taken way back 2022, yeah, after a year. So this is after my first use of 100% TCA cross solution. Yeah, so you can see here that my scars has already improved, but they are still visible, and some of it are still deep. Alright, so this picture is the following year, last year, 2023. So during this time I had breakouts, so that's why I had those hyperpigmentation and some active breakouts or pimples or acne. But some of those hyperpigmentation in this picture, that was from my TCA cross treatment. And just to share with you everyone, this is how my skin looked before using the Banish products, and also the Banisher 2.0, or before doing the microneedling. Yeah, and this is the other side of my face. So you can really see that my skin my scars improved a lot. So after 3 years doing DIY TCA cross treatment or at home TCA cross. So but the sad thing here was, since I had acne breakouts, so I also got a new sets of acne scars. Yeah, but it's okay, I already accept it, and it is also my fault. Yes. Alright, so for the next pictures, this was still last year. This was after 2 months of using Banisher 2.0 and using the Banish products, or combined microneedling with TCA cross treatment. Alright, and this is the other side. So you can really see here that my scars or overall skin has really improved a lot. Yeah, and this is my skin now. So this was just taken this month, I think first week of June. Yeah, so you can really see that my skin is also good. My old scars are, not that visible, but as I mentioned that I had previous acne breakouts again, so that's why you can see some of new scars there. Yes, but that's fine. That's life. Yes. So let's just move forward, Char. Alright, so here I'm done with the procedure, both microneedling and TCA peel treatment. So I did not just include the whole procedure because the video will be too long. So this is how my skin look after the procedure, and it's time for my aftercare products. So first, I will apply the Banish Fighter Gel. So this is a soothing gel. So I really love this product because it really suits my skin, especially after microneedling and also TCA, because it will relieve the pain and the redness. And then next is the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So I don't have my stocks yet of Banish Serum, so I will only use these two products, the Banish Fighter Gel and the Banish Vitamin C Cream for my moisturizer. Yes. Alright, so that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.